How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. You will land to the home page. Now go to the profile of your Facebook account. After you land to the profile, you can see there's three dots. Tap on it. Over here you will find different options. At the bottom you will find the option of turn on professional mode option. Tap on it. Tap on turn on. Now you have to finish setting up your profile. You have to just fulfill all of these options. Add your bio, add a profile picture, add a cover photo. Likewise, add details about yourself, create new content. After you fulfill all of these requirements, you can just go back and you have just turned on professional mode on your Facebook. You will be able to see now this option of see dashboard. Tap on it. Now from here you can see the performance of your Facebook account. This is how you can easily turn on professional mode on your Facebook. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.